So today we're over here checking out Mr. Fast Guy's new whip. New to him. It's a 19. What year is it?
98.
It's a 98, and it's his old one was a RIP Goblin was a EX. This is DX. So single cam, non-VTEC. Pretty much same as the Nugget and the Turd. He already did some minor upgrades. The headlights off the Goblin actually survived, so he put these on. Not bad, not bad. He already has the newer generation tail lights. And what he's doing today, he's gonna try to take out the OEM steering wheel and put a quick release. So what he's doing now, taking out the security bolts down there. Not bad from the inside. Has suede headliner. Stripping it?
Strip this right here, not the bolt.
Got the first one out. A little trial and error. Basically.
Oh, there we go. This one was a lot easier.
There you go. Now you have to take that security bolt out.
Then the airbag should come out, right?
Yeah.
It flew away.
Don't be scared. Yep.
So many pussy, right?
Yep. Then you disconnect.
These wires is over here, right?
The airbag ones, yeah. There's like a negative, then there's
this one.
airbag one.
There's that one. Oh, these are the horns.
Yeah. Yeah, they'll stay with the car.
And then after
That
that
one.
is better to take it out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because you don't have to take off your clock spring anyway. No more turning and click back.
Oops, I just yanked something.
Fucking Geno.
There you go.
There you go.
Anybody want to get popcorn?
Bam. There you go. So
oh snap! Look, the bolt that fell down is right there. So I got
There
those
you
two
go.
bolts, and then I just gotta loosen this. 19, right? 19, yeah. Just loosen it
There
up
you
a
go.
bit. I know. I didn't mark it. We're just gonna bang this.
bang it like it owes you money, buddy.
Yeah.
My little brother was such a bitch to take out.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
So
She's
just
out.
Line it straight.
Line it up.
That's the best I can do. Well, even if I mark it, it's still, well, either or. That's the straightest it's gonna go right there.
All right.
Oh crap, I gotta disconnect all of this too. Forgot about that. Okay, that's gonna go out. This is with this. That can stay.
No,
in
that
there.
stays right there. Then when you
Yeah.
pull out the steering wheel, it'll stay right there. Now I can see the clock spring has this shit.
No, I want to keep the clock spring. Can I just break those off?
Maybe without damaging it.
Let me see.
Let's see what steering wheel he got. Damn, okay.
Spaco.
That shit survived.
The Survivor. So this is gonna have to go this way. Let's see. Oh shit. This is not the one.
That's the steering wheel side. You need the hub side.
Oh yeah, it's definitely not gonna fit them.
Told you.
Yeah, I would. It will fit, but I will have to break these off.
Cut it out.
Yeah.
Nope, but it was gonna hit with this.
Yeah, then this is still gonna hit too.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck,
Yep,
son of a
has to
bitch.
come out.
I want my clock spring.
Thug life, man. You have no airbag and you're crying about a clock spring.
I need the Phillips head.
Yeah, that I don't have. What happened?
I found all my three. I found all
Sorry?
my stock tires. from the other Civic, but there's only 3 of them. I don't know where's the 4th one at.
What the fuck?
Because the other ones are 15, these are 13, but I keep them clean though. Typical Honda, you always gotta put something for this, for it to go down. Oh man, at the racetrack with the other one, that thing will always go down. My windshield wipers will always go
Oh,
out.
would it?
Yeah.
Oh shit. But yet again, I wasn't pushing it as hard. Yeah, there's 4 Phillips.
Can I just remove these right here?
You might be able to just do 2 of them.
These 2 right here, and then
Yeah, just kind of pop it open.
Well, this one doesn't even have one, so
Yeah,
it's already all
typical
loose.
Honda. It's a Honda.
It's missing stuff, you know.
It's missing.
The top
Check
one.
that one out. Now the top one. Try to squeeze.
That's because of this. That's like.
Just that little pesky one right there.
There you go.
She's almost out.
There you go. She's
there
out.
you go.
Yes, I am gonna have to take it out then.
Te dije, carnal. Oh yeah.
If I can. There you go. And now.
Fuck it.
There she blows.
So technically,
So this one.
right here, look. Well, I can see it, but you can see it?
No, I can't. Which harness is it?
Let me take a. Now we have to go try to get that little pesky one all the way in there.
Alright. Well,
What happened?
the junkyard.
Oh shit!
Ignition switch.
Ain't that something, huh?
Well, cause I have to use a different key to open the door.
Oh, the doors.
To the ignition. But,
Oh, all right,
You
yeah.
know, I'm gonna go with when I get paid Friday. I'm gonna do the JDI thing.
Hell yeah. Kind of easy to get to.
Yeah, right there.
There you go.
I just had to take it out of the.
Yeah.
The
You just kind of fish it out.
wire.
You got it disconnected.
Yeah.
Now you have to yank it out.
It's connected to this other white part still.
Success.
Success.
There you go. So pretty much, this is your clock spring. That's the airbag thing. So this is it right here. I got one from the junkyard and put a 2.2 ohm resistor. If this doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to use just a 2 ohm resistor. So we're gonna try it out, connect it, and see if his airbag light comes out once he installs a quick release. So he's gonna go ahead, grab the hub.
Energy up.
Yep, energy up.
Well, that's how you know at least it's centered already.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
We're gonna need this.
Back.
Yeah, it's always just fun putting it back. Oh, and here's the harness to hopefully
Bypass the SRS.
Yeah, so
If not, then
I
pretty
think we
much
just
we'll
need
get
a bigger
2 ohm.
ohm, right?
2 ohm. This one's a 2.2.
Oh, okay.
So we'll see.
Oh my bad. Hey, see, look, already messing up.
Then I was watching a video. There's a diagnostic port for the SRS.
Uh-huh.
All I gotta do is jump it. There's a little procedure. That way, once we get the correct ohm, if this one doesn't work, the correct resistor, then we can reset the SRS.
Oh, okay.
There you go. He got it on. So now it's to put the actually put those screws back in. See, when you're Geno size, you can fit in all kinds of different ways. When you're my size, it's a little more complicated. She's in there.
Maybe.
So now he has to find the right Allen key for it.
Should be this one. Yeah, it's gonna be this one.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Everybody, come
Don't you
on.
want to put the bolt in first, fool? I'm like, I don't think he's test fitting.
Yeah, you know, when you get too excited, you get too excited sometimes.
That is true.
Here comes the hard part now.
Mm-hmm. That's why I was like, especially if you're driving around and don't have. Luckily, I have my tools with me, so I just took the steering wheel apart and tighten it up. Especially if you're driving around and don't have. Luckily, I have my tools with me, so I just took the steering wheel apart and tighten it up.
I'm gonna use my. The good thing is I can take it off and use my.
Torque
I'm gonna use my later.
Oh,
The good
okay.
thing is I can take it off as long as it stays there
torque
for
wrench?
now.
Alright,
My torque gun later.
Okay.
as long as it stays there for now. But yeah,
Alright.
use your torque gun, guys.
Or a torque wrench recommended.
Yeah. But yeah, use your torque gun, guys.
Hand torque wrench. Or a torque wrench recommended. Right next to all your other K-swap stuff that you're missing.
Oh, I know where is it?
Where?
It's in the Green Goblin, in the
This is a spare?
as a spare, yeah.
Oh, ain't that some shit? Well, at least he found his missing wheels.
Yeah, I did. I was like, man, where's that one wheel at? Now I know where is it. At least I know where is it. Where is it? Just remember. Because I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a bit too low for my liking.
Let's see. I don't know, he says too low. I like it this way, but not for my driveway.
Oh.
Little blood, little bio waste.
We still got some, glass that people smoke off of.
That's it.
That's it. Done.
Now the main thing is to connect the battery and see if the airbag light comes in. Who needs airbags? Hey, you're a testament to airbags. They don't do anything.
I think it was a 12 though. Yeah, it's definitely a 12. I don't know. See, things are already going off like crazy. Oh, hey, music. About to get banned from fucking YouTube for this. Airbag light is gone.
Did it turn on and off?
I don't know, did it?
Shit, maybe it's been disabled. Turn it on and key on, like real quick. I guess it's been disabled.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Better for me.
Fuck it. There you go.
Well, we don't know if your resistor works or not.
I guess not.
Well, I'll find out whenever I put my other gauge cluster.
Oh, that is true. Yeah, because some of them don't work.
Yeah, because my SRS bag was the light on was on the other gauge cluster on.
All right. There you go.
We'll
Successful.
find out if that gauge cluster even works.
I don't know if it's gonna survive. I don't know if it survived, bro. That shit ended up in your fucking passenger seat. I don't think that shit survived.
No, it ended up right here.
All
Still
right.
Everything connected.
Yeah, but it still popped out, fool. That's a lot of force.
Hey, it happens.
There you go.
Well, I don't know.
Install.
You see, we still got some blood stains right there on this.
No, oh shit,
You
not
can see
fucking.
it. Yeah. I'm not fucking rash. I got Geno stains on it.
Well, maybe one day Geno will explain what happened, but for
and,
now,
did you ever know? You know how your maintenance light turns red right there?
Yeah.
You know how to remove it?
no.
You press this little button down.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
Well, I did not know that. Well, the more you learn. Hey, your radio on the Goblin survived, right?
Only one way to find out.
Yeah, pretty much. There you go. A quick install.
Yeah, quick install.
Not too hard. Just need the security keys right here. That's it. And always use a torque wrench.
Well, it looks like I'm about to torque this baby down right now. Go. It's nice and torqued now. It's still on. You can kind of see it there. Everything else is working fine. So we're Gucci's there. Backlights, only one works, not the other one. So we might have to switch out that bulb, because I know this bulb has been going out for a while already.